What's going on, guys? I'm Fuller from Custom Offsets, and obviously, as you can already see, this isn't my usual filming spot. So I'm not at the shop, I'm not even in front of the wheel wall. This is my living room, and that's kind of what we've come to, because we have to deal with the cards that we've been dealt with, everything that's going on in the world. So we did want to kind of take that and kind of address some of the concerns that we've been hearing from people as far as how is this whole coronavirus, COVID-19 pandemic, quarantine affecting the automotive truck industry. So, jumping into that, obviously as a lot of people have been asking, they want to know, like, am I still going to get products? Can I still order things? And the answer in the short sense of it is yes. So Custom Offsets is still open. Most of us are able to work from home, which we're very fortunate to be able to do, but we do still have a limited amount of personnel that are working at the warehouse. You know, we're processing orders, fulfilling everybody's orders, getting that stuff shipped out, and we're still sending all the packages out that you guys have ordered so far, and everything else that's coming into place now. You know, since we're offering that financing as low as 0% APR right now, lots of people are taking advantage of that. So there's still a whole bunch coming in and still a whole bunch going out. So I wanted to get that out first and foremost, that yes, we are still open, we have not closed, and we're still getting everybody's orders out there. So with that being said, obviously many of you guys know that a lot of automotive parts, whether it be cars, trucks, or anything, comes from overseas, and not necessarily just China like everybody likes to pick on, but there are many countries that produce products for the truck industry that are not based in the US. So what does that mean for the lifted truck world? Well, right now, a lot of companies are trying to shift as much production as possible to the US, so that's really cool. We got a lot of that going on. And actually, you might not be aware, but companies like Nitto and Toyo are making tires right in the US. I actually did a video about the top 5 brands that are making tires in the US, so we can check that out if you're interested to find out who else is making tires here in the States. Rough Country, I just got off the phone with them earlier today. They're in Tennessee. They're still up and running with no issues there. You know, you got BDS Zone, those guys over in Michigan. We've got Ready Lift out in California, Superlift in Louisiana, a whole bunch of local to the States anyway, companies that are still up and running and still manufacturing products. So there are still things being made. You're still going to get your parts. So if you find yourself with a whole bunch more free time now because you are stuck at home or you've got nothing going on in the upcoming weeks, if you want to order something to get your truck built so that when summertime comes around, which we're all looking forward to, you know, show season starting, then you're going to be ready and you're going to be all set to go. So that we at least have some glimmer of hope that this isn't quite as bad or as big of a deal as some people are making it out to be. Obviously still something that is very serious, that we're taking very serious too, following all the CDC guidelines and taking all the precautions when it comes to shipping out your stuff. But wanted to just get out there, make this quick update video so you guys know what is happening. Like I mentioned before about the products that are coming from overseas, as far as that goes, other than companies that are still making stuff in the States, obviously there will be a little bit of a delay when it comes to getting those items shipped over to the States. And we've been dealing with this kind of for a little bit now, because we had the Chinese New Year and then this whole virus, pandemic, everybody fighting over toilet paper thing happened. So those things have already been pushed back, and they're just getting pushed back a little bit further. So as far as the wheel world, there's really not a whole lot new going on there. This is something that we've kind of anticipated coming and happening. So we've added new features, like on our website, you can now sort by quicker deliveries. So we've actually got a little bar on there that'll show you, it says you can get them 3 to 5 days quicker. Basically what that means is those wheels are actually in the warehouse, and we have inventory of them right in our own facilities, so we can get those mounted up with tires and send them out to you right away, rather than, you know, sometimes pulling them from different warehouses across the country. But so far we haven't had a massive impact by this, and we wanted to let you guys know that we're still up and running, still shipping everything. I've said it like 12 times, so you probably get the gist of it. But if you want to check out any more information or see wheels, tires, suspension, all that kind of stuff, as well as the as low as 0% APR financing, we have all that on the website at customoffsets.com, and we'll just put the links in the bottom of the description for you. I think that's it. I'm going to go back to work, which is actually home now, so I'm just going to walk over there.